I've been a patient of Dr. Lewis's for several years. My teeth were aging, and also the color was not as good as we'd like it to be.
Over time, as our teeth wear down, our nose and our chin get closer together because our teeth are what hold our nose and our chin apart. And as our teeth grind down, then this dimension of our face starts to collapse. Carol started noticing over time how her teeth looked more and more ground down. So she had worn through the enamel. She had dark spots in her lower teeth. Her upper teeth were real flat and short.
He discussed with me to have the crowns or veneers to give me a little bit of a lift, a smile lift.
We call it a smile lift. It's kind of a play on a facelift because it actually makes your face look younger and longer. And so by going in and opening up their bite and making their teeth a little longer, then it just makes them look so much better.
I thought about it for quite a while because I wasn't really sure if I really wanted to do that. With my husband's prompting, because he had had the procedure and it was wonderful and had a great experience, I decided that I would do it also.
We did all of her teeth. We opened up her bite, which gave me room to make her teeth longer. Now she looks 15 years younger, whiter teeth, which is more youthful. It really made a huge difference on her, and she is so happy. She's such a sweet lady anyway, but now she just kind of radiates this.
I'm very pleased with the way it turned out. Friends and family, they don't say, "What did you have done to your teeth?" They have a tendency more to say, "Your teeth look really nice." They can't quite figure out why they look better, which is really what I was hoping for. I just take care of my teeth like I always did, and I'm very, very happy.